In 2018, China built a train station in just 9 hours using 1,500 workers, showcasing extraordinary coordination and engineering. The feat took place in Longyan, Fujian Province, where China's elite construction teams upgraded the Longyan Railway Station as part of a high-speed rail expansion. According to Engineering, construction began at 6:30 p.m. on January 19, 2018, and was completed by 3:30 a.m. the next day. Workers were divided into 7 specialized units, each responsible for tasks like laying tracks, installing railroad switches, and setting up traffic signals. They used 7 trains and 23 excavators, along with prefabricated components such as walls, roof structures, and utility systems, which allowed for rapid assembly like high-tech Lego blocks. The operation was so precise, it resembled a military exercise, with minute-by-minute coordination under floodlights. According to South China Morning Post, the station was ready for service the very next day, minimizing disruption and stunning global observers with its speed and efficiency. This project is often cited as a symbol of China's dominance in rapid infrastructure development, blending advanced logistics, modular design, and massive manpower to achieve what most countries would take months or years to complete.